Potentiometer is an instrument used to measure the EMF of the battery and potential difference across the conductor. The main advantage of potentiometer over voltmeter, it doesn't draw any current from the external circuit. That is the reason potentiometer is advantage than voltmeter. Now, in today's class, we see the principle and working of potentiometer and applications of potentiometer. How can we compare the units of the two battery and how can we measure the internal resistance of the battery by using the potentiometer? All these things we learn. So first you see, potentiometer consists of 1 meter magnesium wire, or 2 meter magnesium wire, or 4 meter magnesium wire, or 10 meter magnesium wire. So first I am drawing the diagram. See. See here, I am taking magnesium wire because magnesium wire is preferable because its temperature coefficient is independent of resistance. Whether temperature increases or decreases, the resistance value doesn't change. That is the reason the magnesium wire is preferable. This is the first 1 meter wire, 2 meter wire, 3 meter wire, 4 meter wire. All these wires are joined with copper strips, thick copper strips, because the thick copper strips have very low resistance. The endpoints of A and B is connected to a standard cell of EMF E with a variable resistor along with plug key. See, the main principle behind the potentiometer is the potential drop across the wire is directly proportional to its length. The potential drop across the wire is directly proportional to its length. That means, suppose if the length of the wire is 1 meter, if the potential drop is 2 volts, if the length of the wire is 2 meters, then definitely the potential drop will be 4 volts. If it is 3 meter, it will be 6 volts. If it is 4 meter, it will be 8 volts. That means the length is increasing linearly, and similarly the voltage drop also increasing linearly. So that is the principle behind this potentiometer. The potential drop across the wire is directly proportional. The potential drop is directly proportional to its length of the wire. Now see the mathematical part. See, first the potential drop across the wire. For this one, I am taking Ohm's law formula. V is equal to IR. We already know the resistance depends on R is equal to rho L by A. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Substitute 2 in 1. That is V is equal to I into rho L by A. If I am taking I rho by A as constant, you will get V is equal to pi into L, or V directly proportional to L. V directly proportional to L. So potential drop is directly proportional to length of the wire, and V by L is equal to pi. So V by L is equal to pi is nothing but potential gradient. Potential gradient is nothing but potential drop per unit length of the wire. So once again you see, the potentiometer principle is the potential drop is directly proportional to length of the wire. So here I am taking 4 meters wire, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter, So these are connected to an EMF and with variable resistor and one plug key. So here I am taking, for derivation point of view, I am taking Ohm's law, V is equal to IR and R is equal to rho L by A, and substituting 2 in 1. So that is the reason I got V is equal to I rho by L. This I rho by A is I am taking as constant. This constant I am taking as a pi. So finally the potential difference is directly proportional to length of the wire.